Good day, welcome everyone. Hello guys, hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What is it? About to be Thursday, great times as usually. Enjoying our day, enjoying the moments of life. And of course, with the Nasdaq breaking below, we're looking forward to making some money. Monetizing the markets, monetizing the volatility. And of course, wish you guys the best. Let's go. How's it going? Welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video. Let's get those numbers rolling. Let's get those numbers bumped up. We're going to share this in all the trading groups existent. Come on, let's go. Happy times out here for the Thursday. We've been out swimming today, we've been out having massage, we've been out relaxing, enjoying and getting ready for this whole thing. Eating out the breakfast and all these things that are usually in the schedule of her family. So here we are, let's go. We are live, 75 grand into giveaways. We are good to go. Good morning, welcome, great to see you. Wow. Happy times, happy people. What's happening here, guys? We're touching yesterday's daily VWAP. We're breaking below for the moment. I don't want to do any knife catch for the moment.
Order filled.
Which is why we are shorting the structure.
Order filled.
This is a very important 1 minute candlestick that we are having here. If this is breaking, we could nicely get into the 200s, right? We can nicely get into the 200s. We got the unemployment claims today happening in about 12 minutes. Happy trading, good morning, good evening. Welcome guys, make sure to like the video. We have a demand zone around the 200, so I'd like to see the markets melting right there.
Order filled.
Keep going. If there is temporary support here, I'm gonna get out, of course. So stop loss is gonna be break even right now. Beautiful.
Order filled.
I sold basically 3 contracts. We have secured a point. We've got $575 secured right there. And we're leaving the rest open, going for the bigger targets around the 200s. 20 points from here, that's going to be another $2,400. There you go. pretty glad about this. We have secured a point. We're above $500 and we're going to leave this open. Let's go, guys. Come on. No.
Order filled.
Oh. That's it about it. $555. Celebration time. We got the point. There you go. Boom, boom. What a nice fireworks show. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. $555. Target has been touched. Excluding myself out for the day. No more trading here. We've got $3,100 distance to maximum loss. We've got here 2 points already. 8 more to go. But we got a good cushion out there at $3,000. So from now, we're building and the max loss is not following me anymore. That's the good part, right? The max loss right now is locked at the original price, which is the 100 grand. And we're building. That's all about this account. That's a good starting, guys. Hello, great to see you, everyone. Beautiful out there. Make sure to join our Discord as well for those of you that are fresh in our community. You want to be part of a lovely place that is constructive for our trading journey. Good morning. Welcome. Hi. What a lovely time out there. Setting up my copy trader for the next accounts that we've got. We have $2,000 drawdown here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for joining. Really. So unemployment claims. 226 is on the expected side. Cheers, everyone. We've been doing good on Ticktick Trader.
Order filled.
Testing out a short here as well. I think there is room to take this one lower. Especially before the unemployment claims. Come on.
Order filled.
This is not looking like has enough strength for an upside movement. Oh, that would have been an interesting move. We got rejected, temporarily rejected there. If we don't stop here, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
I accepted a partial loss. I got out at 645. That was not a good sign for me. Certainly not. Yes, I am trading on Ticktick Trader. Straight to funded plus prop firms. Ticktick Trader prop firm. There's the link right there. We are trading the straight to funded plus accounts, the new ones. This one's from the website. And I'm trading on Project X as a trading platform. Specifically the $100,000 accounts. Where you have to collect 10 points for the payout. How do you collect those points? Well, 1 point means to earn $500. You can only collect a single point in a day. And in order to do that, you have to make $500, 0.5%. So by making $500, you collected your point. The next day you do 500 again, or you can do 2,000, or you can do 5,000, or you can do 10,000. It doesn't matter. You have no consistency. They are straight to funded, but this is a new system, revolutionary system, straight to funded with a profit score. You gotta achieve 10 points on the first payout and then 7 points on the second payout. 10 points basically is exactly 5%. So you gotta make 5% for the first payout. Right now there is a promotion, no daily loss limit. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. So basically I'm trading Ticktick Trader, the one we have touched the target earlier, and we're still trading the other 5 accounts because you can have maximum of 10 active accounts here, and that's pretty much lovely. We're also trading tap on futures. We're printing payouts and having a great time, and later on we're going to trade Savius accounts as well. The new Savius accounts that are exclusively only for our community, 60% off, basically for $256 accounts. That's the price, $256 on this Tomcat, 150 grand, $256, you get a payout of $2,700. So the payout is 10 times bigger than the price. That's your edge right there. I got a payout from all these firms. I got a video with my payout, and I've talked about them. Let me share with you. Ticktick Trader has been online for 3 years already, but I'm gonna share you more details. Tap on futures as well has been online since April, having a very good time. And of course, Savius has quite a few years out there in the markets. It's a European company. So here's the Ticktick Trader payout if this is what you're asking me. Got a shareable link. That's the link right there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome. Great to see you, buddy. Well, there are some differences between the tap on futures and the Ticktick Trader. For example, on the tap on futures, the payouts are bigger, but also the targets in order to qualify for the payouts are higher. Right, so you get a bigger payout on a higher target. Ticktick Trader is a little bit easier. With tap on futures, you have also a consistency. You need to respect 20% consistency. Yeah, we had a celebration time for the other 5 accounts that I made $555, and we have locked myself out. So we've touched the target here. We got a $3,000 drawdown, 2 points achieved already. This is fine, this 5 accounts, but I'm looking forward here as well to do something out of this. We have been stopping the trade in a little loss, and I'm looking forward fighting back. But I definitely don't want to do it emotionally, right? Thank you. I definitely don't want to do it emotionally. Having a look into our 15-minute candlesticks, there is a decent reaction, but there is a demand zone coming a little bit lower. And we got news in about 2 minutes to go. There is a fair value gap here as well. This is interesting. Yeah, the only problem with Savius is the daily loss limit, which is a hard breach. So in order to survive that, you need to set up a stop loss below that level. And I'm suggesting you to have a buffer between the stop loss and the daily loss limit of $200 or $300 because simply you're going to get out on a market order, right? Your stop loss is going to trigger a market order and that's going to catch some spread. And you really don't want to touch your daily loss. So you want to leave that difference for security, $200 or $300. I'm going to short this one, guys. I'm testing out a reversal here back into the 25, 26.
Order filled.
Back into this level and even potentially lower into the 200s. We got the news coming out soon and I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even. News in 10 seconds. Stop loss on break even, guys. Keep going.
Order filled.
We had the stop loss on break even. What's up with the unemployment? $235 higher than expected, which means the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week, 235,000. Higher than expected. Market is reacting pretty flat. Right, couple of points, but that's not a big deal. Savia's affiliate link is right here, guys. 60% off with a coupon code SCRAMBLE right there. We got the news, of course, but we've been stopped out on break even. Great job.
Order filled.
This might slowly want to catch some liquidity from higher levels. I'm gonna put a stop loss right there. Yeah. I'm trading Nasdaq minis. Looking for a decent continuation here. We squeezed into the structure, took some liquidity. But with the momentum of the news, we should also have sufficient force of squeezings. Not expecting too much about it. That's why I'm not targeting anything wild and crazy. And of course, as soon as we go a little bit higher than my entry, I'm going to go break even. We had a bit of resistance at 248. Come on, make that little step above. Going break even right there.
Order filled.
And there you go. We touched the profit. We've touched the profit, gentlemen. That's lovely. Boom, 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 celebration time. It's not bad at all. Let's go. We got some more news at manufacturing PMI and services PMI, 9:45 a.m. And then tomorrow, Powell speaks at 10 a.m. What is he gonna say? Dovish, hawkish, waiting for more data. Interesting pressure, guys. Interesting pressure. If we zoom out, we've kind of reacted almost on the golden pocket, right? Maybe the 15-minute is right there. Yep. 15-minute gives us a nice golden pocket reaction. With yesterday's slightly below the yesterday's closing, we up. I mean, 20-30 points below that. But however, this is a level that could give us some retests of the daily volume weighted average price, which is sitting around at 310, or at a daily opening 323. Getting to the 4-hour structure. 4-hour structure at this point, guys, let me share with you something. Look at that. 200 days EMA. 200 days EMA. If you get support here, you're good, right? You're really good. You're good for a nice retest on the supply of the 790. Right, there is a supply here that you definitely want to retest. And if the market wants to be bearish without doing another all-time high, this would be a nice bull trap. If they do not want to continue with that into an all-time high structure, right? This could nicely be a bull trap. So even by being bearish, you can still take the price action into 790s and be bearish. If you take it above 790s, then things change. There's a supply there on the 4 hours, and this level that we have here, you know, if we get strength from the Jackson Hole, we're receiving this strength from a level that it's meaningful to be converting into a bullish moment, right? This 200 EMA is clearly that point. So pretty much they brought the markets down here, setting up a lot of the discussion around how bearish the market is with the movement into the Jackson Hole, trapping a lot of the shorts, and they could squeeze them nicely above 24,000s. That would be a pretty good business, just like a nice model that we could say even for the bears, right? So at this moment when you gotta wait for a certain type of news, it's pretty hard to speak about a longer term outcome. We would have some great scenarios for both directions from here. But obviously, bulls are right there waiting for a good sign so they can take this pretty much aggressively. Look at that. Good morning, welcome. Great to see you, Fernandez. Great to see you, everyone, in our chat as well. Careful, guys. With any private messages, with any direct messages on Discord, there's a lot of the scammers. 5, 10, 20, 30 scammers. I've heard some of the guys got scammed. Careful, they're using my name and they're asking for money. They're asking for all sorts of things. They're sending you all sorts of copywriting messages generated with AI, sounding like a professional thing. No, I never ever send out any messages to anyone. Whether you join our Discord, whether you did this, you did that, whether you have won a giveaway, you gotta message me. It's not vice versa. Exactly for this very reason. People get burned. And that's pretty bad. And then they blame me. They think I am scamming for $100 or things like that. No, this is not happening, guys. Let's be serious. Come on. That's an ugly rejection under 5 minutes. The market is playing with the liquidity here. As I said, we could nicely squeeze with those unemployment things. And that's what we did. No, it was not me. But you can send it today if you want. And I can share you an address. So... Right, we can retest the transaction. We can retest it today if you want. If that's your desire, I'm not going to stop you, right? How can I stop you if that's what you want to do? That should be a shame. No. Cheers everyone from the Ticktick Trader Cup. Excitement and enjoyment. Looking forward to taking this 5 accounts too. To the positive side of the market. And this is a pretty undecided structure, to be honest with you. It's not easy to trade this. Bulls are lacking sufficient strength to base yourself on a good entry here. And then shorting on support is fundamentally wrong. Until it's not, when the support is going lust, is going bust. PMI, flash manufacturing PMI 9:45 a.m. and services PMI too. But obviously the most important part is Powell speaking tomorrow. What about next week, guys? What's happening? 25th to 29th we have preliminary GDP and the PCE price index. Friday on the 29th. You know, the odds decreased for the rate cut. It certainly decreased a lot for the rate cut. Let me share with you. We're talking about 81%. Today we were around 78%. But now the unemployment has increased a little bit. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Come on. Let's go. Looks like the market wants to fall lower. Looks like it didn't had enough, right? That's how the price action speaks. There's a nice juicy level between 230s and 200s. 30 point right there.
Order filled.
I got in a little short here. And I'm going to quickly go break even as soon as I have the opportunity with a stop loss, because we're speaking about a potential reversal temporary level here of 20-30 points right to the upside, and then we could always do this, right? And this thing could actually hurt me. That's why I want to go break even. Whenever I get the opportunity, I go break even. Such as, for example, now. Exiting at 203. $1,800 on the target. Five minute, 1 minute. I always use the combination of both. 5 minute and 1 minute. The execution comes in into 1 minute, but I constantly watch both. And before I'm starting the live stream, I do a complete technical analysis on 1 day, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. And I'm trying to portray a complete picture of the possible scenarios. That when we get into live, we are adjusting if there is anything to those scenarios. Can we accelerate? Or do we get a double bottom here for the moment? I told you, the 5 minute one slower. That's why I got into a short. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. Jimmy the Man. Keep pushing. This is not looking bad. I would prefer a slow bleeding instead of a nosedive, which is usually quickly recovering because of the liquidity. Slow bleedings are having more strength to get lower. They can actually get into an extension. You've got about 10 points between my break even and the current price, so that's something. I'd like to increase my position, guys, but I'm not doing it here. Even if it falls lower. Look at that. Just gotta wait. I actually sold a contract, guys. No, I should have bought a contract. I should have bought a contract because I'm in a short. That was a mistake. That was a mistake, guys. I should have bought a contract. But you see, we might be dropping from here. I'm not going to do it. No,
Order
that's
filled.
not looking good. I'm out.
Order filled.
That's it, guys. We just, made about 250 bucks with this. We were down 180, and now we're back to 70 plus at something. Little mistake out there. But you see, there could be a temporary rejection here generated from the bulls.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's all I'm looking for. Going with the momentum.
Order filled.
Going with the momentum here.
Order filled.
DCing back around the 20s. We got some more. 2 contracts right there. We're sitting on 7 right now. We need to see some strength in this candlestick. There's not much going on in the markets at this time. Pretty weak so far. I don't like this.
Order filled.
I just sold 5 contracts. If we get back to 25, I'm gonna DCA. But I had to accept the loss there. We were having a strong size without seeing the decent reaction coming in from weak bleeding markets. Good morning, welcome. There's so much room here for a 10-15 point green candle. Thank you guys for watching. We've got 2 giveaways, 75 grand. Ticktick Trader and Tap on futures. Currently I'm trading my Ticktick Trader instant funding prop firm. And then we're continuing with the Tap on futures and at the end the Savius. Come on, this is an interesting pressure that we have here with an engulfing appearing. And this is appearing after we broke below the previous low without any liquidity effect. No. So this is not looking bad. We don't have a tremendous size. If we get this one all the way to 19 or 20s, I'm going to DCA. You want to adjust your quality to the highest resolution from YouTube settings. You can do that. It's going to be visible all the way. Thank you guys for watching. I'm DCing right here. Another one. So we're sitting on 4 contracts, not more. We got a flat opening in about 3 minutes. We're gonna see some volatility. You want to get into the 190s all the way here. That's what you want to see. Yeah, but we could nicely do this. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's nice liquidity in those 2 candlesticks right there, and those 2 red candles. Attack them and then get back if you want to get back. We might take that out at the opening. Let's see. Less than a minute to go to have a flat opening out here on the hourly. We're gonna see some liquidity and volatility, guys. I only need that for the upside. There is not much cushion left for me. If this is breaking below, I'm gonna get stopped out. You know, once we get into the 226, 27, right? That would be a nice... Let's go break even here. We got to do it. We got to go break even here.
Order filled.
We got stopped out there. We got stopped out on break even.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're shorting.
Order filled.
7 contracts short. Seven minutes short.
Order filled.
Eight minutes short. Come on. We broke below. Let's see how powerful this is going. We're break even on the stop loss. Keep going, guys.
Order filled.
Partially, I got out of the trade. 4 contracts. And leaving the rest open. So we have eliminated a part of my loss. We were down $700. Now we're down $195. We have secured a partial profit. It's important, basically, to do some risk management when you're down. And allow the rest, which can generate good revenue. If it does, right?
Order filled.
Now, we got break even with the rest of it. You know, this could actually still drop, but... You see, we modified. We have controlled the risk. Now look at the 5 minute here, guys. It wants to hold. That's the first sign. It wants to hold. It is very hard. So we quickly changed direction, made some money, and played break even. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways coming up soon. All the links, anything to all the firms. I'm trading Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, and Savios accounts. Links can be found in the description area. Coupon code is Scramble pretty much everywhere. Join our Discord. Do not forget about. Here's the Discord. You got to be part of this. Look at that. The beautiful part about Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus accounts is that they have no consistency, so you can let your winners run. With instant funding options, you don't really see that. And on top of that, you can do news trading, you can DCA, you can do micro scalping. So you can open up a trade and close it after 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or whatever with, 2 points target. Got to trade my top 1 futures as well. Do we get another rejection here? Looks pretty shady. Hello, great. Good to see you, Anton. It's going good with the other 5 accounts. We have touched the profit target. And I've locked myself out. 555, so we got the point. That's it for all the 5. And now we're copy trading this one, sitting on a minus loss. A minor loss, but we're fixing it, right? Yeah, Quantum, exactly. There you go. It has not been copied yet because you cannot as a business be that miserable to copy it so quickly, right? You gotta wait 2 or 3 months and then do it, which is what's gonna happen. Good morning, Enzo. Any new ones having financial problems? Well, a lot of them will have financial problems, especially because of the current environment. The summer times are not easy to be running as a business with the sales going down. So during the summer, for the traders dealing with new firms, the risk is higher. Is really high. Welcome, Sebastian. Great to see you, Sebastian, from your holidays. Hope you had a great time. We've been having a good trading momentum out there. We might have some great accounts on the top 1 futures from the times you've been here before your holidays. For example, this 3 ones, where we are trading in August, really good. We're already in the next cycles. 3 days already completed here. But this was great as well for July, right? So from the 16th of July, this is just non-stop profit on 3 accounts for the top 1 futures. There's no day in loss with so here's the accounts I'm talking about. The new straight to funded accounts. Project X, which is what I'm trading. $100,000 Core Plus accounts. This is what I'm trading. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. So we also got paid on Ticktick Trader $10,000 in the meantime. We are with top 1 futures in 2 months. We collected, let me see, I posted about it on my group in our Discord. Let me find my message. Here we go. $44,000, 100 right there. Confirmed lifetime payout certificate. This is about in 2 months. This is what we collected in about 2 months. 44 grand from Tap 1. Futures. Look at that, guys. Nicely reversing and running. Thank you, guys. Yeah, the point system is excitement. Is excitement with the point system. Nicolas Garcia, you are a millionaire with the amount, right? In which currency do you want to convert? The US dollars. This is the place I want to make some money. It's so lovely with this point system, guys. I mean, you know, we have today a minus, but we are going to fight this one back. But it's lovely by collecting points, no consistency. I'm going to make a video about this thing too. It's so comfortable without consistency. Let me share with you the other accounts, this 5 accounts that we've got. This is how we're trading. So $4,000 in a day nicely saves your ass for 2 days, right? Because that adds a lot of money. That adds a lot of money in the balance. So you can afford to touch some stop losses at 1,500 and still get to the payout. While you can on-risk and de-risk the rest of the days if you have this days while making the minimum, which is 500. So it's kind of enough to force in a single day. And then if I have right now 4 more days or 3 more days in a row with 500, I'm going to be in a pretty comfortable situation. Now getting back to this, I'd like to trade this one today a little more. Here we go, we got some rejection. This could be bearish from here, guys.
Order filled.
This could be bearish from here. That's a pretty strong 1-minute rejection. And this could nicely come all the way down to 213 again. Look at that. No surprise, it's delivering and printing. Told you, it's a bearish rejection, it's strong. That parallel candlestick with red next to the green one is a pretty strong sign coming in from the bears. I'm going to be break even here as well. We don't need to risk anything. Additional. Hello, welcome guys. We might get stopped out on break even. If we don't get stopped out on break even, I'm going to add a little more to this. Do I get lucky about my trade? Look at that. 2 ticks. It was 2 ticks away. I'm going to put it right next to the wick. We got lucky with this, right? We got away. In how many days? About 2 months of payouts. We got away with this break even. Get this one down all the way to 203 I've been talking about earlier. 203. Thank you guys. Let's go. I'm a price action scalper based on momentum trading on price action, as I said, which means knowledge about the candlesticks, knowledge about the environment of the technicals too, but a pretty good feeling about the candlesticks. Morning everyone, morning out there. Make sure to like the video, stay in touch. We've got the giveaway coming out quite soon. About 15 minutes to go when the market opens. So it's time to take this below the previous low out here. And then once the market opens, have a nice run into the upside. You know, time to take this one into the 190s. $192 for exit is not bad. 2,800. I'm not using not book mapping at all. Could be good, but I'm not using it. I don't know how to use it. And the more things I try to use, and this is valid for everyone, the more things you want to use, the more better you have to be at understanding them, but also utilizing them in conjunction. So mixing them, right? Having a straight conclusion is what is very important without hesitation, right? So I'd like to use as many things in order for my decisions to not be under complete and continuous procrastination or hesitation. The more things I put on my charts, the worse my performance is going. Look at this pressure here. Would have been a decent movement, would have been a nice red candle for a continuation, but they are fighting back, and they might take. What's happening here, guys? Did we just a single tick away from the break even? A single tick, look at that. Do not dare to destroy my lucky day, because I'm a lucky guy here with this, right? A single tick away. Price action and technicals, but mostly price action momentum. Look at that. Normally you would add to this. You would deviate into this. I'm not going to touch this for the moment. I don't like this candlestick that we have right here. This one, 30 seconds to get this one rejected. Otherwise, this could be really strong candle that had big chances of touching my break even. You see, at this time, the market makers are not watching my live stream. So they didn't know they have to push by a single tick higher in order to wipe me out. It's not looking good. I'm DCing here. I'm putting my break even. I've reshorted this. There's nothing to lose. Risks are off the table. Look at that. We have DC'd pretty good, right? Pretty good, guys. Ah. The strength is still there. Oh, you are longing. You are longing this. We have a flat opening of this 1 minute. Careful with the longs. I am short from the wicks. Nah. Looks like the bulls are still there.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
I'm out basically. I've recovered a loss to 170 because I think this would actually touch my break even a little bit higher. So I'm out. Makes no sense to give away $180. Makes no sense. I do. I'm married. I've got 2 kids. Yeah. So I've got my losses covered exactly. Now we're gonna cover your need of Raleigh. We're gonna cover that right now. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So I got 2 little kids. Look at this. Looks like the structure wants to hold here, right? You're not wrong. And as I said, guys, I've been spelling the price section. So if I would have not accepted that 180 profit, this would have been break even on 0. Which is why sometimes you have to adjust. Real time adjust. Who's complaining again? You know the bots with all the fake accounts? We've got caught again. Someone that had more than 30, guys. This is terrible. More than 30 accounts to be participating in our giveaway is just miserable. They want to scam you. For me, it would be easy, right? Giving them the accounts and that's it. But obviously, that would be a huge problem. We're investing in this thing. This is not cheap. We're doing 2 giveaways a day. They're obviously pretty much angry. Look at this one, Badger. Careful here. Badger, I'm going to short
Order
here.
filled.
Let's see if that sticks. We got a rejection on 249. We might see a little continuation all the way.
Order filled.
If we don't continue, not an issue. I'll take a loss. Nothing else to do, right? 775 loss. I'll take that if we don't continue. So the ones that are joining with multiple accounts, on the giveaway, tens of accounts, they're trying, right? They are trying, but that doesn't mean we have to be fooled. They need to be quickly kicked out. That's a beautiful rejection, Badger. Bring it down all the way to 212. I'm waiting there. Two 1 minute candlesticks all the way down. Come on. Nah. They don't want it.
Order filled.
I've decreased my position. I accepted a temporary loss of 180. Not looking good. Not looking good. We're gonna set the stop loss right above that candle.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out 555. We're gonna continue. Looks like we're not coming back for the moment on 220s. Looks like we're waiting a little more. I don't even know what's happening, guys. I mean, we've got Ronin taking care about them really well. He's our great friend, our amazing community friend. But I don't even know what kind of criminal stuff these guys are talking about. Pretty weird, right? Yes, I am. Not horrible, a terrible. Look at the performance stats. This is how someone terrible, not horrible. You know, this is a bug. All this green color should be red. But it's a bug, right? Project S is having a problem, and instead of red, they show it green. This is for August, and the same problem was in July as well. It was a bug. For all the red days, they were showing up green in the stats, which is why the terrible thing. Now, let's get back to a more serious approach. And stop missing. Oh, you got to your target. That's good money. So hopefully the market makers are not only watching my live stream, but also reading the chat. So they can see you got to your target, and now we can reverse. Yeah. All right, buddy. Talk to you next time. Enjoy. We've got against someone that is trying to play games and disturb our great time. 111. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Oh, there's a bunch of this rubbish people. We gotta focus on our trading. Plenty of room to the upside, guys. That's the thing. As a reality, plenty of room to the upside, and you're still not in any dangerous space. The 300 is right there. Oh, we got the opening bell. Where is it? I forgot about it. There you go, the opening bell. They got too much time, right? They got too much time. Look at the drop. Look at this drop. You see, Badger, why I've shorted earlier? But they discouraged me. This is why I shorted. But they discouraged me. Good morning. Waiting for 190s. I'm reshorting this. I'm waiting for 190s. Bring it down into 190s. Come on. That would be $1,600.
Order filled.
$2,500 into 190s. By fully rejecting this red candle, I've reshorted this. I think we could attack that lows on 190s. There's not much. Stop loss on break even. Lovely trade so far. Thinking about if I should exit here. But I'm not gonna exit, guys. I'm not gonna exit. I'm gonna go for the big cake.
Order filled.
Look at that rejection.
Order filled.
Got into a little short. There's a complete rejection here. Look at that 5-minute. Crazy, guys. We didn't touch the 190s. And that would have been lovely, right? I would have expected this move from a little bit lower. Now, this is very risky for me to DCA here. Let's go. Good luck, guys, on trading. Good luck, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, for joining. Not the best entry, but you know how the markets, how miserable the markets can be. Take this one down into 190s.
Order filled.
No, we're gonna
Order
get stopped
filled.
out. No. So we got stopped out basically on my personal daily loss and locked out. This did not work. Moving on to my Ticktick trader accounts. It didn't work. Touching that 190s here, which is what I pretty much expected. We didn't touch that. We have actually front run the whole thing with about 10 points, 9 points. We didn't squeeze below. Pretty strange.
Order filled. Order filled.
We gotta do 1,200 here and that's it, right? Not more than 1,200. That's where my target sits. Copy trading 3 accounts. Let's go.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Fireworks time. 1,228. Beautiful. This is the 4th day, guys, on this top 1 futures accounts where we're just about a green. This is day number 4. Celebration time. Celebration time. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'd like to see how my Savius looks like. And trade it a little bit. We gotta do 4% here. Keep in mind, 4%. That means $6,000. So we have to do $1,200 more. And we are good for the payout. Just another day of 1,200 and we're good for the payout. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Thank you guys, appreciate it. It's going to be another 9,450. We're going to block this guy. Good. Daily VWAP rejects. Let's get to trade some Savius. Here we are. Reshorting the whole thing here. For a nice little retest on 240s. Keep going. 240s retest. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was looking like a perfect short entry. Stop loss on break even. Let's go. Let's go. We're trading the Savius accounts right now. Keep pressing. And there you go. The profit has been touched, guys. Celebration time. Celebration time. $1,372. Oh, let me take that limit order out. There you go. Boom. 1,372. So we traded pretty good on the US Open. Pretty good. 1,200 2 minutes ago, 1,300 right now. Let's go. Great time. Thank you, guys. Time to move on. Time to move on to the exciting moments off the wheel. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Time to move on the wheel because we've got 2 giveaways. Follow the rules and respect our community guidelines. Respect our policies and respect people. Do not play with multiple accounts. You are gonna get banned. Even if you call us in any specific way, it doesn't matter. Even if you get frustrated, we're not gonna tolerate that. We're not gonna look at your reaction and make a decision based on that. We're gonna look at our values. And that's it. Our community values. 500, that might not be enough. I suggest you to double it up. We have a minute to go, and you can definitely do that. Come on. Good stuff, guys. So, first things first. Like the video. Let's go, guys. Everyone, like the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday daily at 8 a.m. EST time. Wait, do not guess yet. Wait, chat. Wait. Do not guess yet. Do not guess yet. Do not turn on your bots yet. Wait. And the third thing is join our Discord. By the way, for any coupon code, any links, you can find it on our Discord. The coupon code is pretty much scrambled everywhere. Join our Discord as well. You can use it at any prop firm out there that we're trading with. And all right, guys. So let's go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go. Start. Let's go. Whenever I say and write in the chat, stop, it's over. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not get from multiple accounts. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it real. And there you go. That's the stop right there. That's it for the moment. This is the first giveaway. Tap on futures, $25,000. Sim Pro accounts. We're going to shuffle this numerous times, and we're good to go. This was the first giveaway. We're going to have the second one too. Do not rush anywhere. We got that blue number 2 coming up. Or the green number 4. Or do we stop on the number 2, yellow? I think that's where we stop. Here we go. Number 2, guys, I think. That's the way. Number 2 right there. Congratulations for the winners. We're heading towards the duck race. This is the first giveaway. Keep in mind, one more to go. And for those of you that have joined late, make sure to like the video and be subscribed. We're doing this daily. $32 winners. That's not much at all. This is not really a favorite number. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Look at that. 30 seconds. What a lovely time. One more giveaway to go. Tomorrow as well, we're going to have 2. Who's going to step up, fellas? Who's going to step up? And here we go. And we got a number 6 winner right there. Beautiful, congratulations. What's that name, buddy? There you go. Let me just get you on the board. Congratulations for winning. Great job. Let's get to the next one. Let's go to the next one. This is a Ticktick trader. Wow. Again, exactly. Again. The first time I'm seeing your name. And you say again, right? So, never mind. Let's just go to the next one. Second giveaway, for those of you that are fresh, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Keep in mind, these are the rules to participate. We're also streaming tomorrow. Wait, guys. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. That's how the bots are working, right? That's how the AI system works. We're gonna verify. We're gonna verify the whole thing. Relax, guys. Just wait a little more before you turn on the bot. At least watch the chat. Listen to me. At least do this. So, let's keep it real. You can start. Let me know your numbers. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Keep pushing, guys. There's about 20 guys that left between the first and the second. Or maybe that's not 20 guys, it's just a single guy, right? Scalping, M&Q. Why do you have multiple numbers? And you got all the numbers. Even the ones above 5. Which is not bad, it actually increases your chances. There you go. Stop right there. Stop right there, guys. Come on. That's it. Let's gonna shuffle. Let's shuffle these things. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Yeah. In the country that's restricted, that's where we have a lot of the people with bots. I'm not gonna call out any names or anything like that, but that's the reality. So, that might be the yellow number 1 or the red number 4. Come on. That's the number 4 right there. Pretty close to the number 1, which is more popular. Congratulations for the winners and number 4. Let's get to the duck race for the Ticktick trader, guys. $50,000 straight to funded account. $50,000 straight to funded account. We got the winner with number 4. $31 winners. There you go. Let me get your ducks around. Hope you got some fitness and swimming skills. This is not easy. One of the hottest race out there with a $50,000 on the table. Ticktick trader, straight to funded plus account, no activation fee, nothing. You take the account and you make money. That's lovely. Who's gonna be out there? Son of a Greek. Are you ready? Tom G, look at it, Tom G. Number 19 at the top. Going through with a cigar, swimming with a cigar. Cheers, everyone, enjoy. 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna take the lead out here? Some surprises. Tootsie. There you go, Tootsie, you are the winner. There you go, number 2. A university guy right here. It's been with us for quite a few months. And now it's time for you to take this. Look at that. Congrats. There you go, let's go. You've been with us for a few months. You never won an account. Congratulations. Finally. Finally, there you go. Time for graduation, exactly. Time for a nice $50,000 account. Time for a nice cup. Thank you guys once again for watching. What a lovely day. Lamro, I get direct messages from you daily with all sorts of requests. I've seen that. You're a good guy. You've been doing push-ups, right? That's good. That's how you push. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day. Careful with the markets. It's wild out there. And the most important thing is priority on the safety, priority on the risk management. That's how you make money on the long term. Putting the priority on the risk management. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day. Do not lose accounts. Do not lose accounts. Do not think I'm the happiest persons when you lose the accounts. We're not the happiest persons out there. So here we are, guys. Thank you so much once again. Congrats. Have a lovely time. We talk to you tomorrow. Wish you a beautiful day.